Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Where are we going next? Today we've got a room tour here for you, and we're here at the Bahia Principe Luxury Esmeralda, and we got a little suite to show you. This is a ground level suite, so it's got a nice little balcony looking out over the pool, so we'll look at that in just a second. But I like to start the tours out here in the kind of main hallway area, walking in from the doorway. All right, so coming in from the doorway, there's a couple like closets out here on the left side. So inside these closets, we've got an in-room safe to put your belongings, lots of storage. We have another closet here for your clothing. There's an extra blanket on top there too, in case you get cool. Some Bahia Principe Don Pablo collection robes to wear in the room, and some nice little slippers too. There's also an umbrella, ironing board, and an iron too. Turning over this way, it'll lead us into the washroom area. And into the washroom, there's a nice big shower in here, just with this big glass door. Nice good space in here, good size. It's got like a rainfall shower as well, and then like a nice handle here too to shower with. Just beside the shower is the toilet, so it's got like its own like privacy door here for privacy. And then if we look over this way, this will be the double sink vanity. And we have a mirror up here to, get ready with. Also a hairdryer too, just in case you were wondering. And a 110 volt outlet to plug in any of the things you may need. Two sinks here for two people getting ready at the same time for maximum efficiency. And then we have some different things offered by the hotel. There's some shampoos. There's usually a conditioner, body soap, and then like a lotion as well. Hand soap. Just off to the left side here, we got a big soaker tub with jets in it. So a nice jacuzzi here you can really relax in. And then there is a window here that curtains open up, so you can kind of open it up to the outside, get some more kind of light in here, or you can close the curtains for some more privacy. I like this little picture here, or this art on the wall here, just to give a little bit more character in the room. So yeah, this is great. Nice big size in here. Towel rack up here. There's a spot to hang your towels, and then another little towel rack over here. It's perfect. So coming into the rest of the room here, we have a big king size bed, and this is not two double beds pushed together. It's a full king size bed. We've got a bedside table here with a phone to connect to the front desk or guest services or concierge. There's a couple phone numbers here too to indicate all the different extensions you may need to call. And then some storage here beside your bed. Got some wall sconces here too. Nice to kind of light up the room. I like the kind of decoration on that too. It's almost like a little bit like rustic. It's kind of cool. So the bed is, I would say, a bit more medium firm, in case you were wondering, for a good night's sleep. Pillows are very, very fluffy, very, very comfy. Over this way, we have like a stand for your luggage. You can put your luggage there and some storage underneath for it too. And then over here on the big dresser, there's a small TV here. So I believe that's going to be the mini bar. Yep. So in here there's a refrigerator, and this gets stocked daily with some beers. They've got some soft drinks, and in the back they've got some Lay's chips, and then some waters as well. So we found that did get stocked quite regularly. And if you need anything, you can always contact the front desk. There's an in-room coffee maker too, with some coffee mugs, and then some decaf sugars and coffee, some waters, an ice bucket, and then some glasses to make yourself a little drink. This is the in-room service menu. I'll give that QR code a flash up on the screen here so you can scan that. And you can see the room service menu that you can order 24/7. There's lots of drawer storage here for your belongings, as you can see here. And then a TV here too. So looking out over this way, we have a small little seating area. So there's like a little kind of a couch built into the wall there. Table and then two chairs, so you can have like a little meal in your room or just kind of relax over here. Same bedside table over here with a wall sconce, and I'm just looking right now, there isn't chargers built into the wall where the lights are right here, but there could be something. Yeah, it looks like there's one kind of underneath here if you would move the bedside table a little bit so you can charge your phone, and the same on that side. And then off to the left side here, there's a small desk. Lastly, I'm just going to go out here into the pool area here. So this is the Esmeralda kind of activity pool. So we got a good view here. This is facing east at the moment. So we get the morning sun over here. Lots of room up here on the patio. You can see there's a couple chairs here with a table. Great spot to relax. But yeah, great view here. It's a little bit loud from the music there, just to let you know in terms of the rooms that face the pool, but the music is kind of quiet right now, so it's actually kind of nice. And then there will be quite a bit of foot traffic across here too, so if that's something that doesn't bother you, then this room might be great for you. If it's something that bothers you, then you might request a room that faces away from the pool. Alright, so that's going to do it then for our tour here of the suite here at the Bahia Principe Luxury Esmeralda. If you guys have any questions about this room, please feel free to put them down in the comments below, and hope you guys enjoyed this tour. If you did, leave a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to find out where we're going next.